Hey guys, welcome. I am again here from Iamagainhere.com, and in today's video I am going to teach you that how you can download fonts which you can use on alight motion. Guys, the website I am going to show you is so amazing, and you can find more than 1,18,000 plus fonts in this website. As you can see, these fonts are highly eye-catching and attractive, and you can see different categories of fonts which you can use. As you can see, there are over 3,445 plus results available right now, and you can browse to any of the category. Like I am going to sky fonts and see what's inside of them. Guys, you can see here how eye-catching and attractive these fonts are. Now if you want to get it, what you need to do? Guys, the first method is that I am providing the link in the description box of this video. Click on the link and you will be landing to this page. Simply click on go to the deal, and after that you will be landing to this website where you can get 6 million plus graphics just for $1. Guys, keep in mind, if you are not satisfied, you can cancel your subscription and you just need to pay $1. And if you want to get all the fonts for free, you can see here when you come to this website, you can see here freebie section. Click on it and go to the fonts, and after that you will be landing here. As you can see, there are over 3,722 fonts available right now. Guys, now you can download any font which you want and you don't need to pay anything. As you can see how you can download these fonts, you just need to click on any font like pen pizza, click on download for free. This is how you can download these fonts for free. But what about if you want to download any paid font? As you can see here, super vibe font. Now if you want to download this one, what you need to do? Simply you need to activate your free trial. This is totally free, and you can get 10 downloads 100% for free. And the second way, as I already told you, I am providing the link in the description box of this video. When you click on the link, you will be landing to this page, and when you click on go to the deal, you will landing to this page. So when you try all access just for $1, you don't need to pay more than $1, and in $1 you can download unlimited fonts, unlimited access to this website. You can see there are lots of stuff related to graphics available on this website, and you can download any font, any graphic item you want, and within 7 days. After that you need to pay $19 per month, and if you are not satisfied, you can cancel your subscription. And these are the 3 methods by which you can get fonts for alight motion. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next.